no bake peanut butter pie. This is the easiest, fluffiest, creamiest, and most peanut buttery recipe you're ever gonna eat.
Start off the pie by making the peanut butter pudding. Add one box of instant vanilla pudding. I'm using the small box, 3.4 ounces about approximately, to a large bowl, along with 1 1/4 cups of milk. You can use regular or non-fat or 2%, just make sure to use cow's milk. And you will add also 3/4 of a cup of peanut butter. Now you can use creamy or chunky for this. I'm using creamy today.
This pie has been a favorite for years. It's been a viral recipe ever since I first posted it, probably back in like 2017. God, that was a long time ago. It's so easy to make.
You're just gonna whisk all of that together. It's gonna be a nice, thick peanut butter mixture. Once that's all whisked together, we are going to add in a teaspoon of vanilla, and then we will add about 1 container of Cool Whip. Now you're going to use about an 8-ounce container of Cool Whip.
The filling is a fluffy peanut butter filling with Cool Whip, which makes it super easy. You don't have to worry about it. It's gonna set up and be delicious.
When it comes to the Cool Whip, feel free to add whatever kind that you like or whatever brand. If you really do want to use fresh whipped cream, then you'll want to be sure and be careful when you fold it in. Here with Cool Whip, you can just stir it. It doesn't really matter. It's not going to break the filling. Whereas with whipped cream, you have to be a little bit more careful, which is why I love using Cool Whip, because it's just so much easier.
Now for the crust, I'm using a graham cracker crust today, but you could also make a nutter butter crust or like a similar peanut butter cookie crust. That would be so delicious.
You can find my graham cracker crust recipe on here. I'll make sure and link it. And all of my crust recipes, no bake and bake, are on my website. Just spread that pudding into that pie crust.
And the topping of this pie is more Cool Whip because you can never get enough. And yes, you could use fresh whipped cream if you really want to. And then you can leave it plain or sprinkle the top. I sprinkled the top of this one with peanuts. You could do crushed cookies, anything that you want. More peanut butter, the better, in my opinion.
Just make sure and chill it for a few hours before serving.
Once we slice this, you can see how fluffy and delicious it is. Oh, I can taste it. It's so good. Leave me a comment and tell me your favorite peanut butter recipe. If you don't follow me already, be sure to subscribe to my channel and keep watching for even more pie recipes.